In today's recipe, we are going to make no-bake mini cheesecake, which is very easy to make and takes hardly 10 minutes. So we need 3 packets of digestive biscuits or graham crackers, which is easily available in the markets. We need to grind this into fine powder in a mixie jar or in a blender like this, and then I'm transferring this into a big bowl. Then here we need to add 1/3 cup of melted butter. I'm using salted, you can also use unsalted, and mix this very nicely. So here I have got some silicone cupcake molds and I am placing some biscuit powder into this. Now here for pressing these powder, you can either use the back of a glass or a back of a spoon like this. I prefer using the back of a spoon and then press this like this. So now you need to refrigerate this until the next step, or you can also refrigerate this for 30 minutes if you have more time. Then here I have taken almost half cup of cheese cream and I'm beating this until this becomes soft. You can also use a hand whisk. Then gradually I am adding, not gradually, altogether I am adding 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can also use powdered sugar or normal granulated sugar. Then into this I am adding 1 cup of whipping cream, which I have beaten until it reached stiff peaks, and then I am adding this into the cream cheese. Fold this nicely together. Now this step is optional, that is I am adding some vanilla essence, not more than 1 teaspoon, and then mix this. Now I have removed the cupcakes mold from the refrigerator and then pouring some of this cream cheese and whipping cream mixture into this. You can use the back of a spoon to give it a rough shape. Now to give it a very nice shape, you can use a knife like this, which is used to apply butter on bread, which is normally available in every house. If it is not, then you can use any spoon which is like this, and just do the following step to achieve a very nice end finishing of this cupcakes. Here I am decorating the top of the cupcakes with some food color. This is also optional. If you have some food color, you can definitely decorate it like this or just skip this step. If you have a solid food color, you can just mix some water into it and dip the needle and do this. If you have liquid or gel food color, it's well and good. It is then self-explanatory. So the next step is the most difficult step, which is to wait until 24 hours. Refrigerate these for 24 hours. You can also refrigerate these until this is set, which will take hardly 2 to 3 hours, but I'll recommend to wait until 24 hours. Now post 24 hours, these look so gorgeous. I'll just remove the mold and show you. Look, the bottom, the top, the food color at the top, all looks so perfect. This is a no bake cupcake. Then to the texture and everything, the taste, all is the same, I'll say even better. Waiting for 24 hours was just worth it because this tastes absolutely amazing. The texture, you can see it by yourself how nice it has turned out. The time taken to prepare these cupcakes hardly took 10 minutes, but yes, you have to wait for 24 hours. All you need is some cream cheese and some biscuits, which is easily available at stores, so just make this.